Hello everyone, welcome to Noob's Law School. This is Subhashree Parhi, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the bill that is recently introduced in Haryana, that is Haryana Prevention of Unlawful Religious Conversion Bill 2022. And if you are a CLAT aspirant or you are giving any other examination, so this is a important topic for you as a current affair. So if you are a CLAT aspirant, then I would like to talk about the Unacademy Unlock 20 offer. Basically, you can use my code, that is Thrinath10, to get an 20% discount on all Unacademy subscription. So if you are interested in purchasing an Unacademy subscription, you should definitely use my code and get a 20% discount. So now let me talk about different batches that an academy is providing. First is the score booster. Yes, that is an revision batch for CLAT 2022 and 2023 aspirants, and it is conducted by NLU alumni, and it starts from March 16, 2022, and it is in Hindi and English as well. The second one is the law and order. It is an one-stop solution for CLAT 2024, and it is conducted by NLU alumni as well. And it starts from March 19, 2022, and it is in Hindi and English as well. And the third one is the crash course. Yes, this is a 3 months course for GULLB entrance 2022, and it starts from March 19, 2022, and it is also in Hindi and English. Now, talking about the subscription part, you can buy the subscription of 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, as it is shown in the slide according to your own preference. So don't forget to use my code, that is THRINATH10, to get an additional 20% discount. So let's jump into the video. Firstly, who introduced the bill in Haryana? The BJP government in Haryana has introduced the bill, that is Haryana Prevention of Unlawful Conversion of Religious Bill 2022. Then let's see, what does this bill propose? Like, what does this bill say? Basically, the bill seeks to prohibit religious conversion which are effected through misrepresentation, force, undue influence, coercion, allurement, or by any fraudulent means, or by marriage or for marriage, by making it an offense. So you must be thinking that what is misrepresentation, force, undue influence, coercion, and allurement. Basically, these are the legal terms that is used in law fields. Let's understand one by one. Misrepresentation means, you can say simple words, it is a false statement that is intentionally made by one party to influence or convince, or you can say force, the other party to sign the contract. And force means it is simply forcing someone to change the religion. And undue influence means, let's take example. Undue influence means when suppose you are doing a job in a higher authority, and the people working under you, you will force them or influence them to change their religion, then it will come under undue influence, and it is also called an offense. It also comes under offense. And coercion means by giving threat. For example, you are giving a life threat to someone and asking that person to change the religion, and it is also a crime. And allurement means, you can say, giving a certain amount of money. For example, you are giving 10,000 or 20,000 to the person and asking that person or forcing that person to change his or her religion. Uh, this is also a crime as well. So, and it is written that, or by any fraudulent means. Fraudulent means if you have an intention to cheat someone, that comes under fraudulent means. And then it is written that by marriage or for marriage. By marriage in the sense, for let's take an example. You are marrying another religion, boy or girl, and that person is forcing you to change the religion, then it is also called a it also called an offense. And for marriages means like you are going to marry someone and he or she is asking to change his religion for marriage, that you, if you will not do change your religion, then I'll not marry you, and like this you can say it is also an offense. And these bills also provides that let's take example, you are a person and you belongs to Christian religion, and you marry a girl of another religion, and you have hide your religion, and after marrying that girl you are saying that I am Christian and you are also going to convert yourself to Christian. If that girl files a case against you, then then the court can declare your marriage as null and void. In simple words, you can say that the court will cancel your marriage, though marriage of yours is not valid. Next, let's see what is the aim of the bill. The aim of the bill is very simple. It is to maintain communal harmony and brotherhood, and to not to divide the society. Basically, it has the idea to not to divide the society. What is mentioned in that bill, like what is actually mentioned in the draft of the bill? According to the draft of the bill, the individual right to freedom of conscience and religion cannot be extended to construe a collective right to proselytize. For the right to religious freedom belongs equally to the person converting and the person sought to be converted. Still, there have been numerous cases of religious conversion, both mass and individual. Obviously, such incidents have been hotly debated, more so in a multi-religious society like India. The presence of pseudo-social organization with a hidden agenda to convert vulnerable sections of other religion. There have been instances when gullible people have been converted by offering allurement or under undue influence. Some have been forced to convert to other religion. In simple words, we can say that the freedom of religious lies in the hand of the person who is converting and the person who is already converted. The freedom lies on the hand of the person itself, but still then also there are many cases seen. And there are some innocent peoples who trust other peoples easily. In that case also many people are forcing by giving allurement or by doing undue influence, also they are forcing them to change their religion. Now let's see what's the reason of making the bill. Like Haryana chief minister in August had said that Manohar Lal Khattar had said that law is enacted to create a deterrent of people when they start doing something wrong. Such incidents have started taking places in a few places of Haryana. Till the time these were not happening, or when there were only one or two such incidents, there was no requirement of such law in this regard. But now several incidents of forced religious conversion by way of coercion and allurements have come to light. To prevent such incidents from happening, such laws are required. By way of example, I can say this is why we passed the anti-copying bill. Laws are required to prevent any of these incidents from increasing number. In simple words, we can say that Manohar Lal Khattar had said that law is enacted to create a deterrent for people when they start doing, like law is a barrier for the people who start doing something wrong. Like law stops them from doing something wrong. And he also said that such incidents means the love jihad case. uh, they have started taking few places in Haryana, and till the time, like when there is no such cases happening or when there is only one or two such incidents, there is no requirement of such laws. But when these crime increasing, but like when this crime keeps on increasing in number, then the government is bound to bring a law for the innocent people who are forced to change their religion. Like here it is also said, to prevent such incident from happening, such laws are required. Like it is mandatory to make such laws in order to save the innocent people who are being forced to change their religion. And in his speech, he also said that these are some surveys he is trying to convey. In past few days, many incidents have been reported in Yamunanagar, Panipat, Faridabad, Gurugram, and Nuh, wherein forced conversion were done by allurement or by fake promises of taking abroad, by expanding business and running away from home. Such incidents have become a matter of great concern, as said by the CM of Haryana. FIR has also been registered in many cases, and he also says that this is not what is happening only in Haryana. It has happened in many states also, and many states have made their own law to stop such incidents, such as Karnataka bill and the UP Act and Chhattisgarh. They have also introduced such bills in order to stop such incidents. He then clarifies that the bill does not bar a person from willful conversion. It is provided that such person has to submit an application before the district magistrate 1 month in advance. That he's saying that it does not bar a person from willful conversion. If a person wishes that he or she will convert his or her religion, then he have to submit an application before the district magistrate 1 month in advance. Like, the bill does not stop willful conversion, the bill stops unwillful conversion. You can say that the conversion that is made forcibly. Next, we can see that what is the opposition reaction to the bill. In reaction to this bill, Congress MLA Raghubir Singh Kadian tore a copy of the bill by saying that it reflects device policies. Like, according to Congress MLA Raghubir Singh Kadian, this bill divides the unity of the state. And for this, like for tearing the copy of the bill in the house, he also got the suspension from attending the remaining part of the budget session, you can say. And the present status of the bill is that, as the first part of the bill was approved by the state cabinet chaired by Khattar in February, now the bill is introduced in Vidhan Sabha's ongoing budget session that started from March 2, and the BJP and JJ coalition in the state has strengthened of 50 members in the 90 member of Vidhan Sabha. The bill is all set to be passed, you can say. It shall subsequently be sent to the governor for final assessment. Once the governor has his assent, it shall be enacted as law and implemented across the state. So that's all about the Haryana bill of prevention of unlawful conversion of religion. Thank you. That's it for today's video. If you like such content like the news that we have simplified here, so you can like, share, and subscribe our channel. So that's it. Thank you.